Good morning from my hotel room in Osaka. I haven't been vlogging this trip at all, but today while I get ready, I'll just kind of talk about what we did like the past few days so that you know what I did. And in case you're coming to Osaka, then you can have like Rex, I guess. I tried vlogging yesterday and then I forgot about it. So today's Saturday and it's my 5th day here. We flew in on Tuesday and we arrived at nighttime, so we just ate a little bit of food and came here into the hotel. The next day we went to Universal Studios, and I think I haven't been to USJ in so long, but I had like it's like my top experience. I think the older I get, the more fun theme parks are because I'm less scared of going on rides. When I was a kid, I was terrified of them, and now I can, you know, proudly say that I went on the Hollywood roller coaster thing, and it was a really cool ride because it's like this roller coaster wherein you can like pick a song to play while you're having the ride. I went during the most perfect time because the sun was setting as a backdrop during my whole roller coaster experience. The next day we went to Osaka Castle, which is a very like popular destination that I've actually never been to as well. So this is my base makeup. I'm gonna check back in when it's breakfast time. Outfit of the day. This top is thrifted and these pants are from Uniqlo, and these are literally my only pair of shoes that I wear. I always wear them every day. And yeah, that's my local park ranger look. And this little hat that I also got here, it's pretty cute. That's it. My sister bought another set and she looks so ridiculous. Do your best Mickey Mouse impression. Hot diggity dog! Hot diggity dog! Hot diggity dog!
Hot dog, hot dog, hot diggity dog!
Guys, I got the shoes! Yay! My dad shoes aesthetic can be complete. I'm gonna change out of my favorite pair. Yay! Cool. Hello. We are resting on this bench. Just bought my shoes! Best Dressed made me do it. If you've been to Japan, then you probably know the store called ABC Mart, wherein they sell a lot of different kinds of shoes there, all the different brands. And I was like expecting to buy a pair of shoes there. I thought that they carried Fila there, but they don't. So if ever you're in Japan and you're looking for Fila shoes, you should come here at Osaka. Ta-da! And they will have the dad shoes of your dreams. Cool. Here we are. This is America Mura. There are stores, vintage shops. Oh, this. Okay, we're going to Orange Street now. Oh no, it's blinking. I'm just gonna stop. Look at this observatory deck. I did not know. You know what? They have a lot of plants here. These are lavender. Eucalyptus. Cool. And different types of herbs. Lovely. All the little cute planties in their little planters. Champion, that shirt looks cute. Oh yeah, it says new arrival. Cute. This is Acme Furniture. Product knowledge. Bam. Cool street there. Shall we go there? Yeah. Okay, cool. Cool. This is a really cool street to take pictures in. This place lit. Igla. There's a Lululemon. Why? Cute. No spring rolls. Go! Ah, I thought you were gonna walk across. Okay. Video of these people. Oh, is it just there? Hi. And they put soy milk in it, and there's like no seed inside, but it's good. My sister ordered a cappuccino, and she's really amused of how the foam is still foamy. I got a soy latte, and of course got a straw. And yeah, it's a pretty cute place. So busy.